Hello everyone and welcome back to the Emperor BTC channel. Today's video is going to be a quick BTC market update video. So in our previous market update video, we did a top-down analysis of the BTC chart and marked out a lot of the key levels. We had this key SNR level, which of course just historically has been quite pivotal. We anticipated that when we did get into this region that we might get a correction here, maybe push back up into this region and face some sort of resistance for continuation to the downside. Instead, we got a quite sharp drop through the region, and we did find some support in what we did refer to as a potential demand zone, which is from this high down to this range low. We did get a nice bounce or correction in that region. We also had crypto showing strength against the SPX, which shows confirmation of this bottom. So given this is a key SNR zone, we can expect, as we are at the moment, that we may face some resistance in this region. So there's a couple of variables all within this area. So you have the 618 on the bearish retracement. You also have the key SNR zone, and then you have this supply zone on these last uptick candles before this sharp move away. Price has got not exactly an explosive move to the upside, quite layered, and at the moment we are finding some support on these down close candles, but given overall order flow, we may anticipate that if we break down below this low, that we potentially get a short opportunity and continuation down to range lows. If we were able to get back up and then reclaim this key SNR zone and push up, well then of course we are still looking at a potentially similar setup where we get support here, which allows us to run back above the yearly open towards this next major key SNR zone. Overhead as well, we've got a couple of negative points of control just above the yearly open, and then of course below we have the previous 2 days which have negative point of controls yet to be tagged. So in these sort of market conditions where you have a significantly obvious one-sided market, where okay, you do get some of these retracements, overall sentiment is to the downside. So I wouldn't be looking to do any sort of, again, significant long trades, although I have opened some spot positions which are in profit in around the regions that we had talked about in the previous video. From a trade perspective, I would be looking for either the short continuation on this sort of move, if we were to reject away here with some nice volume confirmations, CVD, or if we're able to break back up and reclaim, you might get a long trigger back towards this 100k region, or at least back towards the yearly open for a nice scalp. So that's all for today's BTC market update video. As I said in the beginning, wanted to keep it short and sweet. On Thursday or Friday, I'll be doing our altcoin market update video. So do feel free to drop any suggestions below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.